Hi, I'm Mark Volkmann. For the past 20 years, I've primarily been a web developer. I've adopted many approaches, including using no libraries or frameworks, and using jQuery, Angular 1, React, Angular 2 and beyond, Vue, Svelte, and now web components. One advantage of web components is that they can be used in any web application, regardless of the framework selected, or even if no framework is used. My book begins by explaining why you should consider web components. It then explores WebAwesome, a library of pre-written web components. Next, it covers implementing your own vanilla web components, which only rely on what the web platform provides. Vanilla web component implementations are somewhat verbose, so the book covers libraries that enable implementing web components with a much better developer experience. These include Lit, Stencil, Fast, and Rec. The details on how to use web components differ across web frameworks. The book explains how to do this in Angular, React, Solid, Svelte, and Vue. It's important to be familiar with tooling that supports web components, so the book covers documenting components using custom elements manifest files, demonstrating components using Storybook, and testing components with Playwright. The book wraps up by discussing how to render web components on the server for faster initial renders and better SEO. Finally, it explores how LLMs can be used to generate the code for web components and applications that use them. Visit Manning.com to get your copy of the book, join the live discussion forum, and email me any questions you have at r.mark.volkmann@gmail.com. Thank you.